Students, this is question number 18. The bearing of B from A is x degrees. The bearing of A from B is y degrees. X is to y is given as 2:7. We are asked to calculate the value of y. So the figure is given in this fashion. So this is north and this is B and it is y degrees. This is x degrees A. This is the figure given. Now let me give you the solution. Now the bearings are supplementary in nature. So this means x positive y is equal to 360 degrees. So this is one equation. And the other one is x is to y is 2:7. This means I can rewrite this as x over y is equal to 2/7. So x can be rewritten as 2/7 times y. So therefore 1 is rewritten. In place of x, I'm going to write it as 2/7 times y. Positive y is equal to 360. I take 7 as the LCM. I get 2 times y positive. 7 times y is equal to 360. This means 9 times y over 7 is equal to 360. This means y is equal to 360 times 7 divided by 9. 9 divides 360 40 times. So y is equal to 280 degrees. And we are asked to find the value of y. So that is the solution for this question. So we move on.